What up guys, this is the unboxing of my new Black Widow slip-on exhaust. Let's get into it. I'm going to open it upside down because it's got my address on the other side. So, I'm gonna have to set the camera down for a second. Oh. So inside we've got the actual exhaust. A little key fob, look. Key thingy, my bob, sticker, and the instructions. And here's the replacement part for the exhaust to slip onto. In this little box. Exhaust assembly paste as well. Pretty good. So yeah, let's have a little look at it. Brackets, it's obviously to hold it on. Right, I'm gonna have to put you down. Let's put you down over here a second. Sweet. That is pretty cool. It's got the removable baffle as well, look. So yeah, pretty decent. So yeah, hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to fit it on now and have a look at my other videos, and you can see what it sounds like.